Howdy. Yeah? Are you sure? Okay. All right, so hello again, folks, and welcome to a kind of an impromptu little video. We are in Gainesville, Texas at a harvest host. This particular host is a farm, and I thought I'd kind of give you just an idea, what harvest hosts are like. And I know I've shown some things in other videos, such as alpaca farms. This one's a little different. Here we got set up. It's basically 90 degrees out today. So we got the camper closed up, the air conditioner's running, and I pulled out the solar panels. And so we'll let the solar on the roof and the auxiliary solar work. And that will keep our batteries charged up, or close to charged up, while we're running our air conditioner. And then when it cools off later tonight, then we just turn the air off and have the windows open, which is great. But let's take a look around here. Let's go around here in the corner. And here's Val. Val is relaxing in the shade.
Watching baseball.
Watching the Arkansas baseball team.
Yep.
Okay.
And speaking of pigs, they have little piggies here.
Oh, they have pigs too?
I saw a couple run across the
Oh, okay. So let's see. We got pigs,
donkeys,
chickens.
chickens.
Oh, there's donkeys too?
Yeah.
Oh,
Haven't you heard them?
I have not. I've been inside.
Oh, yeah.
Did not know there's donkeys.
Yeah, there's donkeys, there's lambs.
And there's lambs.
There's the dog.
And do they have goats?
Yeah, I think
Goats?
so.
So this is a little farm. Now we have to laugh because when Val was checking this place out online before we signed up to come here, there was someone who complained because the animals were making farm animal sounds. And now we're going to go into they have a little, if you don't understand how Harvest Host works, is we basically stay here and then they'll have something that maybe you can purchase. Now it's a winery, you can buy wine, a brewery, obviously beer. Farms a lot of times will have food, like say we stay at Wagyu beef farms. Actually, when we leave here, we're going to another Wagyu beef farm. And here we got food packaged up that you buy to feed the animals. But let's go inside. Let's take a look at this little store. And you just look at the stuff they have here. Unbelievable. Lots of ice cream. There's some knickknacks. Big cinnamon rolls. All kinds of cookies. Peanut brittle. I mean, they've got spices, gourmet salts, salsa, all different types of salsa. We got some, looks like candles. We got different types of honey. This is just, it's insane. Like I mentioned before, there's cookies, all kinds of cookies. We got, this is pumpkin bread, and these are all types of fried pies. And we got tomatoes. I'm not a farmer. I don't know what those are. My wife, I'm sure, knows. We got baked potatoes. But let's move on. Here we got, we got some pasta sauce. I didn't even catch that. Pepperoni pasta sauce, roasted garlic, pickled green beans, carrots. We got all kinds of nuts here. Seeds, almonds. We got pickles. Again, we've got different types of popcorn. Then we come over here and we've got different types of jam. There's prickly pear jam if you're into that. Actually, it says prickly pear beer jam or beer jelly. Okay. Haven't heard that one before. And so, and then how this works, and I'll keep this, I don't want to put anybody's names or anything on here, but so how this works is it's kind of the honor system. And so you come in, you pick out what you want. Everything is priced. Then you write down what you're purchasing and you total it up, and you can leave cash. You can write a check. Looks like they use Zelle or Apple Pay. But it's the honor system. You just come in, pick out what you want. There are all kinds of things. There's meat. All right, so you just, anything you can imagine they've got here. Mustard. All right, so the rule here is with a Harvest Host, you typically try to spend somewhere in the neighborhood of around $20, $30 per night. And normally you stay one night. Some of them will let you stay more. Now we're going to one tomorrow that we've been at a couple times, and we're going to be there for 4 or 5 days, which is not very common on a Harvest Host. That would be that one, by the way, is a Wagyu beef farm, so that'll be pretty cool. So if you're a traveler, camper, whatever, and you're not a member of Harvest Host, you ought to consider it. And we're not sponsored by them or anything like that. We just really, really like staying at Harvest Host. They give you such an opportunity to stay different types of places. So we really enjoy it. The name of this place, by the way, in case you're wondering, is called the Christian Family Farms. And again, that's in Gainesville, Texas. So thanks for watching. I'm going to let you all go now, and have a great Saturday night. We'll see you on the next one. Haven't got anything for you. Yeah, haven't got a thing for you.